Hello everyone, and I'm Sophia. Welcome back to another exciting video. So today's video is about how to get rid of blackheads. You know, everyone suffers from blackhead, including myself. So today I have a trick, simple trick on how to get rid of blackheads. And this is just basically ingredients you can just use from your home. So I already have my ingredients prepared. So I have toothpaste and sea salt prepared as a paste. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this paste where I have my blackheads, which is mostly here and here sometimes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply my paste onto my the area. And you only apply to the area that you have your blackheads. And this is just a quick, simple trick that you can just use. And this can be done once per week or twice, depends on how much blackhead you have on your face. So I'm going to apply it here. This is just toothpaste and sea salt. And sea salt is just basically what we use sometimes for cooking. People use it for different reasons. And now we're going to use it to get rid of our blackheads, which is just simple method that we can just use basically these ingredients right from our home. So I'm going to leave this for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse my face with cold water. So I see you in a bit. So I'm back and this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do, we're going to slightly massage my face here with the product, with a mixture. And so then I'm going to rinse my face, and I see you in a bit with cold water. So I already rinsed my face with cold water, and my nose is actually feeling very smooth. So I want you to go ahead and try this mixture. It actually works. And for full preparation for this mixture, go onto my blog at www.buggerbeautytips.de. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm also going to post this video there, and also on Facebook. And subscribe for new upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and I hope you try my mixtures because they actually works. I wouldn't do them unless I didn't see results. And with homemade products, homemade mixture, I should say, it takes a time for work, but you should believe in a mixture and it will work, definitely. So until next time for another exciting video, bye.